Hi Dressed Up Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw a Hello Kitty donut squishy. So let's get started. To draw this cute donut, let's first start by drawing Hello Kitty's bow. So I'm going to start right here with the center of our bow, which is a big circle. And now that my circle in, I'm going to draw the bow at this angle. So I'll start right here and turn your body or your paper if you need to. And I'm just going to go up this nice big loop. Then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So about right here and here. To create our bow. Then to draw in some details, come right here in the center and we're just going to draw a curve on each side. So now that we have this bow in, this is going to be our guide for the rest of the donut. So I'm going to come about right here on the bow. In this area, I'll give myself a point, and using that, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve about right here. So this is top of Hello Kitty's head. So we're going to create a curve right there, and then we're going to come about right here and draw the ears. So I'll come out. About there, then round off this tip and come down. And I'm coming down to about right there because I'm just imagining this curve is coming all the way through. So about right there, go ahead and just create this big curve for Hello Kitty's head. And then we're going to come back to about right here. So just use this as my guide. So I'm going to come down and create this big Hello Kitty head. About right there, and then come back here and draw the other side. There, we created Hello Kitty's head shape. Round this off a tiny bit more because it is a donut and we just want it nice and round. Okay, so then we're going to draw the other ear about right here. So just imagine it's popping out from there. So let's say about right here. Go ahead and draw the other ear. And round off the tip and bring it down. There. Okay, so now we have the general shape in. Then about right here, I'm just going to add in a soft curve. But I'm not going to go all the way through, and just put in a curve right there. Then we're going to come to the center, so about right here, and draw an oval. So kind of the shape of the head. So let's say about, I'm just going to start right here. And I'm going to bring this point across to approximately the same distance on both sides. So let's say about right here, just approximate. So using those 2 points, I kind of figured this is in the center, and I'm going to draw my oval. So hopefully that helps you to create your oval in the center. So I'm just going to go ahead, bring down a curve. And in. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw some drizzle. So we're going to come about right here and just go up and down. Have fun with this. You can make your drizzle higher, lower, it's all up to you. And go up and finish it off. There. And so then for this part right here is where you can put whatever kind of sprinkles you want. But since it's drawing this in February and it's all about love, I thought it'd be cute to just add a bunch of hearts. So I'm just going to come here and just randomly add in these heart sprinkles. here and there, but like I said, you can put whatever you like. So if you're going to put hearts, just make sure you go at different angles all over. And let's see here, is that enough? Maybe one more here. Okay, and then from there, since I have these hearts sprinkled everywhere, I'm going to also put in some circles. Oh, there's space here, so I'll put in another heart. But like I said, decorate this part however you like. Okay, I think I should leave it as is. Maybe one more. It's always hard to know when to stop, right? I almost forgot this part right here in this ear. Okay, so that is pretty much it. I really hope you love this Hello Kitty inspired donut squishy. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope I helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.